In this video, we will show you how to edit your profile. Right-click the robot symbol located in the bottom right to bring up menu. From the menu, select Utility and Training. This will open a dialog box with further instructions. The PMS interface serves as an example. As the columns mapping has been previously configured, we only need to make adjustments to the profile that we created earlier. We clicked Test All and discovered missing last name information. Clicking Insert then presented a field specifically for last name, aligning with our system's last name field. Once you've made your edits and successfully verified them using Test All, click Save to apply your changes. Then, click OK to confirm the save and complete the editing process. For more tips and information, visit our website at www.plustek.com.